Hello guys, do you know why Mr. Rigathi Gachagua is calling Ndindi Nyoro a mall, a Mount Kenya mall? Do you know? It is all about uh, politics interest. Because Rigathi Gachagua wants to be the kingpin of Mount Kenya, and he already know if he allow Ndindi Nyoro to campaign in Mount Kenya, there will be two kingpins from Mount Kenya, and come 2027 these two will divide Mount Kenya votes. That's why Rigathi Gachagua wants Ndindi Nyoro to join his team, or he calls him a mall. They want to be together, they want to be one thing. And what I know, Rigathi Gachagua and Ndindi Nyoro can't join together because Ndindi Nyoro feels that he can make it alone. Rigathi Gachagua thinks that he is the only person who can be the kingpin of Mount Kenya. And here is where the trouble starts, because how can Ndindi Nyoro allow Rigathi Gachagua to be the kingpin of Mount Kenya? And Ndindi Nyoro is not supporting William Samoei Ruto, but they are true friends. And Mr. Rigathi Gachagua is worried about this friendship, the old friendship and closeness, because Ndindi Nyoro was the Minister of Finance. He was dealing with finance, and Mount Kenya people usually deals with funding projects and business. So when Ndindi Nyoro was in that position, he used to promote people from Mount Kenya and offer them loan with lowest interest. And that's why you see many people are complaining that they don't want this government, because this government has denied them the fruits they used to be given since those days Mzee Jomo Kenyatta was president. And you may learn that now you can't see many Kikuyus doing business. Ask me why. These are Mount Kenya people, and Mount Kenya people want to be given priority because they own a lot of business in Kenya. And if you tamper with them, you are finished. And you see, come 2027, William Samoei Ruto will either listen to Ndindi Nyoro or listen to Rigathi Gachagua. So be ready. You will be surprised when you will see, come 2027, Rigathi Gachagua supporting William Samoei Ruto for presidential bid, or Ndindi Nyoro supporting William Samoei Ruto for presidential position. Or because now this guy Babu Owino and Ndindi Nyoro can't join together because Babu Owino wants to be the governor of Nairobi. But most people were suggesting that what if Ndindi Nyoro and Babu Owino come together and try to vie for presidential and deputy president respectively. So Rigathi Gachagua is calling Ndindi Nyoro a mall just because they are competing for kingpin of Mount Kenya. Rigathi, he is the kingpin of Mount Kenya, but also Ndindi Nyoro is getting popular in Mount Kenya. So at a time, Rigathi Gachagua is worried because maybe this boy will overtake him, and that's why he thinks that Ndindi Nyoro is the government project. What if Ndindi Nyoro support Rigathi Gachagua? Will there be a conflict? Let's wait. It's your boy Sef Buche. Please subscribe, comment, like and share.